Hello, boy.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, fine. Welcome to speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Tell me what's your name.
My name is Henry.
Henry, how old are you?
I'm 6 years old.
Good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
And what animals do you like?
I like green.
Animals. The elephant, the kangaroo, the rabbit, the alligator, the bird.
Sure.
What animal do you like?
It's a bird.
I like.
I like bird.
What can the bird do?
I
The bird can. The bird can. The birds can. The birds can fly.
fly.
Okay, thank you. And next for you about the animal. The first one, what animal it is?
It's a
What animal it is? What animal it is? Rat.
rabbit.
This is a rabbit. Do you like rabbit?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
And this one, what animal it is?
It's a sheep.
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 Can you say louder? Okay.
It's a sheep.
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 Okay. And here,
It's a bird.
this is the bird. What color is the bird?
It's a tulip.
What color?
Hi.
What color? Blue and
Blue and white.
blue and white. And here, what animal it is?
It's a duck.
What color is a duck? What color is a duck?
The yellow.
The duck is yellow.
The duck is yellow.
And this one?
It's a cat.
Yes.
It's a chicken.
Yes.
It's a
It's here.
cow.
Okay, it's a cow. What color is a cow?
It's a
What color is a cow? Color.
color. White and brown. The white and black.
Okay, and this one?
It's a dog.
Good.
It's a goat.
The goat.
It's a pig.
Thank you. Do you like goats? Do you like goats?
Yes.
Yes, I do.
Yeah, I do.
Thank you. And this one, talk about the legs of animals. Example, the pig has 4 legs.
The pig and four legs.
And this one,
The sheep and
the sheep.
the sheep and four legs. The cow and four legs.
Good.
The chicken and 2 legs. The dog and 4 legs.
Has.
The bird and 2 legs.
The bird has.
The bird had 2 legs.
Well done.
The duck had 2 legs.
Yes.
The rat had 2 legs.
Yes.
And 3 legs.
The cat has 2 legs.
The cat had 4 legs. The goat had 4 legs.
Yes.
The
The rat.
the
The rabbit.
rabbit has 4 legs.
Okay. Thank you. And this one, can you talk about the story?
The story
It's a
is a
farm.
farm.
Many
Many
animals
animals
live.
live on the farm.
How many birds can you see? How many birds can you see?
1, 2 birds.
I see 2 birds. Thank you.
It's a brown dog. The dog had
The brown dog.
the brown dog had 4 legs.
Yes.
It's a yellow chicken. The yellow chicken had 2 legs.
Well done.
It's a
White
white
rabbit.
rabbit. The rabbit.
The white rabbit.
The white rabbit had 2 legs. 4 legs had 2
and 2 ears.
2 ears,
4 legs
4 legs,
and 2 ears.
2 ears. Is it black goat? The black goat had one big mouth.
Yes.
Is it a yellow dog? The yellow dog had two legs.
Yes, okay. Farm animals
Farm animal
are
are
wonderful.
wonderful.
Thank you. Very nice. Goodbye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Yes, okay.